Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today just a very short video about how to bind your transmitter to your receiver on the Flysky FS-MG7. So first of all, you have to know that there is a very tiny button right over here on your receiver, and there's written bind on it, and we are going to use that to bind it to your transmitter. So first of all, everything has to be powered off as it is right now. Then you've got a bind button right over here on your transmitter. You have to hold it when you turn the power on. And now you can see that the red LED is rapidly flashing. The next thing to do is to power on the system. So as you can see, the red LED on your receiver is slowly blinking. But now we are going to press and hold the bind button until it goes to rapidly flashing. Now let's go of the button. Now you will hear the beep, and the red LEDs are actually green, and sorry, it turned green. It's now solid. So now everything is bind up. Alright guys, that was it for today. Please subscribe to my channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.